Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited. I got my American Influencer Beauty Bundle, and this one I am super excited about. So when you open it up, it says be strong, be beautiful, be you. I'm like so happy that I subscribed to this, guys, because the first one was pretty good and this one is just that much better, guys. So they teamed up with Purlisse for this one. Can you believe that, guys? They teamed up with Purlisse for this one. And I love Purlisse and I love their watermelon products. And guess what? This box brings a bunch of their watermelon stuff. Purlisse was created by Jennifer Yen, and she's a creator and she's the CEO of Purlisse. Oh my God, guys, look at all this stuff that we got. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's begin with this watermelon canvas cosmetics bag. This retails for $10, guys. This is the cutest thing of life. Oh my God. So in the back, it says, give your skin a burst of energy. I'm so excited. Like, I can't contain my excitement. I'm so happy that I got this beauty bundle box, or that I found out about it in time, because I would have died if I wouldn't have gotten this specific box. So yeah. All right, so oh my God, it's so roomy. It says Purlisse and it has the little watermelon thing. So guys, I forgot to read to you. I'm so excited that I forgot to read her little message. So she says, I created Purlisse to show the beauty and spirit of my heritage. As a former Power Rangers villainess, I spent hours under bright lights and heavy makeup, which took a major toll on my complexion and confidence. In my journey to restore my skin, I rediscovered my grandmother's Asian beauty secrets, which transformed my complexion and now yours too. I'm so excited for you to experience the Purlisse way. And her name is Jennifer Young, like I mentioned before. So yeah, guys, my excitement is like completely over the moon. Okay, so first thing in here, look at these full-size products. This is the coconut oil and coffee body scrub. Smooths, exfoliates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes all skin types. And this retails for $24. It's huge, guys. This is 6 ounces. It has a safety seal, so I can't even really smell it, but oh my God, so excited. All right, I'm gonna start putting my products in my little bag. Next thing in here, I'm gonna leave all the watermelon stuff for the end because I'm like so excited. Okay, so this is the coconut oil and coffee silky body butter. And it says the same thing, smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. And it's for all skin types. And this is $24. Oh my God, so excited. All right, guys, here we go. So this is the pink charcoal and watermelon purifying cleansing milk. With green tea, gently cleanses skin, soap and sulfate free. Oh my God, when my friend Annalise watches this video, she's gonna go crazy because she loves watermelon stuff too. Oh my God. Obsessed. I cannot wait to try this. This retails for $9.99. Oh my God, guys. And this one is, how many ounces? This is 3.4. So it says that you should use on damp skin and lightly rinse with warm water. Follow with Purlisse Pink Charcoal and Watermelon Priming Moisturizer, which I've used and I love. No, I've used just the watermelon one. And then it says antioxidant, okay, and then it's great for everyday use. And the benefits are pink clay helps boost skin clarity, control excess oil, and minimize the appearance of pores. Charcoal helps remove toxins from skin surface. Watermelon is packed with vitamins A, B6, and C to keep skin energized and hydrated. Green tea is an antioxidant that helps promote clear skin. Soy milk is rich in amino acids and maintains skin elasticity, and whole oats calms and soothes sensitive skin. Guys, obsessed. And look how cute this like the packaging, like you just want to like, I don't know. I love it. Next thing in here is the pink charcoal and watermelon antioxidant face mist. Should I spray this in my face right now? This retails for $9.99. Oh my gosh. I need to spritz this. I have to. Oh, that's refreshing. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love the smell. Super refreshing. Oh my God, it's pink and beautiful. Oh my God, guys, I can't explain to you my excitement over this box. Like, I cannot express it enough. The next thing in here is a little sample of the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. Yes, I have used this one. I love it. Ever since I got this at Generation Beauty, this is where I got the first sample, and I was completely obsessed from that moment that I tried it. I'm so sad we didn't get a bigger one of this one because I love this so much, but I think I already do have a bigger one. I think I have a bigger one that I got like in a subscription or something like that. So I'm like over the moon. I'm like watermeloned out. Love it. That retails for $24, obviously the regular size. And then the last thing in here is the Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. And this purifies pores, brightens skin, visibly firms and tightens. And it's for all skin types. Guys, the packaging is just like, oh my God. Like, I want to take 1,000 pictures with this because this is just beautiful. This retails for $24. And you guys know I am not a fan of peel off masks, but I will definitely try out this one because I just love it. I love Purlisse and I love the watermelon line. So I'll definitely try this one out. All right, guys. So that was an amazing, amazing box. I am so excited. I am so happy that I got my hands on this box. I don't know if you guys are still able to get your hands on this box or not. If you are, I'll leave the link down below. I hope you guys are, because if you love watermelon as much as I do, you need this in your life. Oh my God, guys, I'm so obsessed. Oh my God. I'm just like, I can't. I'm just like, I have no words. That's how much I like watermelon, guys. So yeah, guys, I am loving this box, trying out different brands created by fellow creators. I am just loving it. So here's the little bag with all my products inside. I cannot wait to try this stuff. All right, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, the whole 9, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.